especially when they launched around that $400 and it immediately went down, and a lot of people got trapped here buying around that 100 level. And at the moment, the price is sitting here around $4.
Oh, Jesus. Here's a really good one where you could easily buy that castle, because the market will in the next bull run. Is it in 27, 28, or is it 32, 33? I don't know. But at some point down the road, the market will go back up and eat that wick up top there. This is a really good example where there could be some serious money being made down the road.
ICP, that's what I wanted to show. We were talking in the lounge about internet computer. Oh geez, I hate that name. I think it's the worst name of any crypto project out there, because it just doesn't make sense to call a project like this. But anyway, that's more of a fundamental marketing decision probably that they call it internet computer. But I never bought into this because I felt it was a big scam, especially when they launched around that $400 and it immediately went down, and a lot of people got trapped here buying around that 100 level. And at the moment, the price is sitting here around $4.
Oh, Jesus.
And
okay, so here's a really good one where you could easily buy that castle, because the market will in the next bull run. Is it in 27, 28, or is it 32, 33? I don't know. But at some point down the road, the market will go back up and eat that wick up top there. This is a really good example where there could be some serious money being made down the road.
Yeah, and the thing is, what I hope now is that if you look at the, because they have some nice dashboards up as well now, so you can see that they're doing close to 5,000 transactions a second compared to 232,000 on Ethereum. But if you look at the actual supply, the circulating supply is now almost catched up with the total supply. So there's not much of inflation going on anymore. And I feel like all the VCs that invested at 3 cents, and some did around $4 apparently, they probably got their money out already. And this is one of the projects that, I mean, they're still building and there's still a big team behind it. And I like what I'm seeing in terms of what they're trying to do. I hate the name, but with so many eyeballs on this project still from back then, I think $4 is an okay value to start dollar cost averaging in here. Because like you said, I don't think it will have another drop as it had over the past 2 years or so from this price level.
So what is that? That's like 99% drop, eh?
Let's see if we set it to 12 months.
There you go.
Oh, it can't compute.
The internet's not big enough to compute that.
There was an 83% drop on that other candle. So there's minus 78, minus 50, and this is just infinity.
Yeah.
To infinity and beyond.
So yeah, I mean, here's a great example. You could basically buy this at 1% of the original listing price. That would be like Coinbase. Coinbase didn't do that badly.
Yeah, so I don't know. I think I haven't bought something yet for TOI, but I might pick some up and just dollar cost average this as well. That's, I mean, we could have a nice little W, and there's plenty of chances here to get a second.
I like the location. Location looks good.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the location.
I mean, like if you zoom out, yeah, go back to that original peak there. You know, we just talked about a 99% haircut. Do we see a 91? Yep, I do. 91.4%. Any idea what I'm thinking about?
91.
That's a daily price chart too. So go back to that original listing, those 3 candles right up at the top there.
Oh, this one, these 3?
Yeah, and stretch price out.
Like this?
Yeah, keep stretching. Yeah, could do more. You might as well maximize the price pane so we can see. Yeah, there you go. Keep stretching, keep stretching. Hello, what do we have there? There you go. Stretch it out. There you go. So, you know, how much was that house?
Yeah, 6.6 million.
All right, and we're at $4 right now.
Yeah, so that's times 91.
So 4 times 91 would give you 365. Is that what that is? No.
Yeah.
How many? Is it really? That would be an interesting coincidence, eh? Fuck me. So what
Yeah,
do we
it
say?
is.
360. And then you know what this is? This is Doge. This is the same damn thing as Doge. Because Doge had a gap up at 360 sats. And you know, it was right down at like, you know, 1 or 2 sats or whatever. So anyway, what's that number there? That's what does that say? 365? Is that what that 364?
363, 360. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna place our order to sell at 363, and we're buying at $4, 90.75. Isn't that interesting? Because we just said that. What's the statistical odds of that gap actually being filled in? You should put like a horizontal line on that gap, sir.
Yeah. Oh, it's just so outlandish that I can't even imagine it will be filled, and that's probably why it gets filled.
Yeah, exactly. You know, like I would do a horizontal line and just leave that on your charts. So how ironic that the statistical odds that that gap gets filled in, if this story is actually legit, is 91%.
Yeah.
And how ironic that will be a 90x on a $4 investment, right? It's about just a little under 100x. So we need 6 million to buy the pad. So that's we have to invest about 60,000 euro into this.
Yeah, that's a bit much still for this project. But yeah, I gotta start somewhere. I'm okay with 500,000 as well.
Okay, well, if we say 500,000, then that means we only have to put 6,000 into this thing.
Exactly.
And then the question would be, could we put 6,000 in, get some sort of rally, sell half on a double, maybe 3x, something like that, and then reload 2 or 3 times between now and then?
Yeah.
Every time the thing dips back down into a reload zone, you go back in and buy it. I think that's completely realistic. This is take a screenshot of that, please, and let's throw that in the lounge, right? I'll even bookmark it. But this would be an absolutely perfect little old lady canasta club pick. Oh, you can buy this on Coinbase? Well, fucking A, that makes that pretty easy. You know, there it is.